Thinking about selling your home? I get it. That's a huge decision. Maybe you're ready for a change. Maybe something unexpected is pushing you to sell. But before you throw that for sale sign in the yard, let's talk about this. Are you really ready to sell your home? In today's video, we're going to break it all down so you can figure out if now's the right time for you to sell. If you're ready to sell or just need some advice, feel free to reach out. Whether you've got questions about pricing, prepping your home, or selling process in general, I'm here to make it easier for you. You can find my contact information in the description, so don't hesitate to get in touch. Let's work together to get your home sold fast and stress-free. First up, the emotional side. Listen, selling your home isn't just a transaction, it's emotional. This is where you've made memories, and leaving that behind can feel a little heavy. So ask yourself, are you truly ready to move on? If you're feeling torn, that's totally normal, but it's important to know what's driving your decision. Are you selling because you want to or because you have to? There's a big difference, and knowing where you stand emotionally will make the rest of the process a whole lot easier. So now let's talk practical reasons. Maybe your family's outgrown the space, or you're ready to downsize. Maybe you've got a job taking you to another city. Whatever it is, the question is, does it make sense for you to sell right now? Selling a home is a commitment, and you need a strong reason to follow through. Now here's something a lot of people forget: timing. The real estate market doesn't care about your feelings. Is now a good time to sell? Are prices in your area going up, or is demand slowing down? Sometimes it makes sense to wait a little and sell later. Other times you've got to jump on an opportunity. You don't want to rush this decision just because you're eager to sell. All right, here's the deal. Let's hit a quick checklist so you can figure out if you're really ready to sell. First, emotionally ready. Are you truly ready to say goodbye to this place? Second, practical reasons. Is there a solid reason pushing you to sell? New job, downsizing, financial needs? Third, good timing. Have you checked if the market is in your favor right now? If you're good on all three, then you're probably ready to start the process. In the next video, we're going to get into the nitty-gritty, how to prepare your home to make sure it stands out on the market. Trust me, you don't want to skip this one. So if you haven't already, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video.